Think you can make a living through trading? Living in Dubai, driving the best cars, all you have to do is click some buttons and boom, you're rich and successful. I hate to break it to you, but it's just not that simple. The truth is, trading isn't all about clicking buttons and cashing out. It takes skill, it takes discipline, and most importantly, it takes capital. But capital is way more important than these gurus make it out to be. Today, we're breaking down why money makes a huge difference in trading and how you can actually grow your account the right way. So stick around to the end of the video and you will know what it takes to grow your trading account the right way. And listen, if you stay to the end, I've got a nice little gift for you guys that's going to help take your trading to the next level. The myth of flipping a small account. In reality, growth is key. Aiming for about 1 to 2% of account growth per day seems about the norm. Although that doesn't sound like a lot of growth in one day, if you trade for 1% for 5 days, that's about as much as a bank is going to give you in a year. So let's focus on slow but steady growth on our trading accounts. And let's not try and double it by tomorrow or next week, because you're trading with too much risk and we want to grow it slowly and focus more on the compounding growth. 1% per day can double your account in 5 months. But at the same time, if you start with too little, you're going to take years to build your trading account to a good number so that you can start earning from it actually. For example, if you wanted to take a 1,000 Rand account and turn it into 100,000 Rand, it would take you approximately 10,000 trading days. And the reality is, a lot of these online gurus, they sell you a course of how you can turn $1,000 or 1,000 Rand into 100,000 like nobody's business, but that's simply not true. They're just lying to you and they're scamming you. If you start with 100,000 Rand and you wanted to turn it into 1,000,000 Rand, it's a lot easier. Firstly, you can trade with the correct position sizing to try and get to that target, and it will take you approximately 2.5 years if you're trading at 1% average per day for you to get to that 1,000,000 Rand mark. Now, of course, it's not that simple. Trading is not that easy. Of course, you're going to have to build a good skill set, and you're going to have to understand the markets for a little bit of time before you get to that kind of level of trading. But I think the important thing is, let's get the skill set first, then worry about the money later. So that takes me to my next point, and that's how do we even grow a small account? What I would say is, take your small account, trade small, build a consistent base, understand the markets and get confident with yourself first, and then worry about topping it up every month, trying to grow it. What you're going to have to do for the next few years is build your skill, understand the markets, and build your account slowly but surely until you get to that point where you're comfortable, you're confident, and trading just starts to feel like a walk in the park. What you'll need to grow this small account is a tried and tested trading strategy with a hit rate of 80% plus, depending on how you calculate your risk to reward on those strategies. You will need good discipline to execute that strategy, and you'll need to be trading on a consistent basis, not once a week, not once every 2 weeks, but trying to trade on a consistent basis. And yes, I'm not saying jump into the market and find forced trades. Only trade when the market is right, but don't trade once every 2 weeks or once every 3 weeks unless you're trying to trade more longer term strategies. Now, you probably think I'm talking a whole lot of nonsense, but let's have a look at what our strategies have done for us just this year alone. Using tried and tested strategies, we've grown a 20,000 Rand account by 100% this year, and it's only March. For January, we did 60%, and for February, we did 40%. And these strategies were based on 1-minute and 5-minute trading setups only on the Dow Jones. And if you started with us in the beginning of the year, you could see something similar in your own trading. And what makes a big difference is our whole trading team supports you and we hold your hand through that whole journey. So you kind of get guidance on how do we actually get there, and when you get stuck, there's someone there to help you for that. We're not so focused on the course, we focused on trying to mentor you and better your trading as time goes on. A lot of our clients, they come sit with us, they trade with us, and that's exactly what we want because we believe that is the best way to grow your trading skill set. Also, what we've done is we program expert advisors that we're going to install on your platform for you. It's going to give you early alerts when a strategy of ours is about to trigger. And remember, this is all based off of tried and tested trading strategies that we've been trading for many, many years now. So what's great about it is it gives you that early alert so you're never missing a trade. When you're learning the strategies, it can help your understanding in it, and it also can improve your trading discipline, allowing you to just wait for that signal and then stick to the strategy and take the trigger when you get that trigger. So yes, there's also one that does your risk percentage and your risk calculation for you on your position sizing. So you don't have to worry about how you're going to grow this trading account by yourself. Now, if you're wondering on how you can get started, I put a link in the description that's going to take you to our free Wednesday night webinar. We're going to be discussing a little bit of trading strategy, some trading psychology, and then we're going to showcase what we're all about, how we plan to help you, and how we're going to take you to where you need to be with your trading.